In this tutorial, we will learn that how to create cinematic intro title in Wondershare Filmora. So let's start the tutorial. Firstly, we will watch Creator Hub, which is specially introduced by Filmora for the creators. For it, click here. Here, you may learn by watching these videos, which is created by different creators all over the world. You can easily make impressive and captivating videos after learning these Filmora tutorials. For playing this tutorial, simply click on it. Then play it from here.
Text in movies isn't just a...
So, now we will move to our main topic. This is our clip. Now add quick text from here. Then expand it and adjust here. Now, double click on it. And then edit your text here. Then change the font into Gothic Bold. And increase the font size also, like this. Try to keep this text in the middle. Then, add another quick text. Similarly, edit this text also. Then change its font to Gothic Medium. Now, drag this text to upper of first text. Here how it's look like. Now, add third quick text. And edit it also. Then, change the font into Gothic Light. Now click on Advance button. And increase the value of word expansion. Like this. Then place it here. Now, I am reducing its font size and expanding its value. Then after, click on Apply. Now, I am taking rectangle tool from here. Now, draw it on screen like this. Increase its corner a little bit. Then, choose here pure white color. And turn off the border. Now, I am placing this line to here. Then after, we will add animation in the alt text. So watch it. After text animation, we will add keyframing to rectangle tool. So, watch carefully. Now, it's done. Then click on Sticker and search Cinematic Universe. And then, add this sticker to timeline. Now, adjust this sticker on the line. Like this. After it, add cinema effect from effect section. Now it's ready to export.